Welcome to my English channel.
Emily, honey, time to get up. Breakfast is ready.
5 more minutes.
We don't have 5 more minutes. The bus will be here in half an hour.
Okay, I'm up.
Good. Wash your face and come downstairs. I made pancakes.
Pancakes with blueberries?
Of course. And a little maple syrup.
Yum! I'll be right there.
Don't forget to feed the cat before you eat.
Got it. Where's Whiskers?
Probably by the back door. She's been waiting for you.
Okay, I'll feed her first, then pancakes.
That's my girl.
Can we listen to the radio?
Sure, but nothing too loud.
Okay, how about the morning news?
Works for me. Did you finish your math homework?
Yep, all done.
Great. Remember to give the permission slip for the field trip.
Oh, right, it's in my backpack.
Good. And be nice to your brother when you get home. He had a rough day yesterday.
I will.
Here we are. Have a good day at school.
Thanks. See you later.
Love you.
Love you too.
Hey, how was school?
Pretty good. We had art class today.
What did you make?
A painting of a big tree with a swing.
Sounds lovely. Did you show the permission slip?
Yes, she said thanks.
And what about lunch? Did you have enough to eat?
Yeah, but the pizza was kind of cold.
School lunches, not always the best.
True. Oh, I got an A on my science quiz.
That's wonderful. I'm proud of you.
Thanks.
Dinner's ready. Come to the table.
What are we having tonight?
Roast chicken, mashed potatoes, and green beans.
Yum! That's my favorite.
I'm glad you like it. How was your day?
Pretty good, but I had 2 tests. It was tiring.
You must be ready to relax. Pass me the salt, please.
Here you go.
Thank you, sweetie. You did great today. After dinner, maybe we can have some ice cream.
Yay! I'll save room for dessert. Can you help me with my history homework?
Sure. What's the question?
I need to write 3 facts about Abraham Lincoln.
Okay. First, he was the 16th President of the United States.
Got it.
Second, he led the country during the Civil War.
Okay, and third?
He issued the Emancipation Proclamation, which helped end slavery.
Perfect! Thanks!
Anytime. Time for bed.
Can I read for 10 more minutes?
10 minutes, but that's it.
Deal.
Did you brush your teeth?
Yes.
Good. What are you reading?
A mystery book about a lost dog.
Sounds interesting.
It is. The ending's supposed to be surprising.
Well, you can tell me all about it tomorrow.
Okay. Good night.
Good night. Sleep tight.
Love you.
Love you.